everyone, it's Brian from Lind again. We're doing another one-take video. This time we're doing it for the Beacon360 Spark, our LED modular string light that's designed to replace your typical traditional old-school 100-foot string light. Now if you're watching this video, you're probably familiar with string lights. You've probably used them before, but just as a refresher, string lights typically come in 100 feet. You've got a bulb with a cage, 10 foot of cord, another bulb with a cage, and on and on and on. Now, these are really problematic in job sites, and they've been used for years and years because there wasn't a better option until now. Some of the problems that you'll be familiar with, you have to hang a lot of different hanging points every 10 feet. You've got someone hanging another spot. In addition, they are very long, heavy, and cumbersome, and they often are put down the hall during the initial construction phase, and then during fit out, you've got walls built between the string lights, and they have to be cut down and thrown out afterwards. Our studies show, in fact, that only about 20% of string lights on a project are recovered and used for another project. That means 8 out of every 10 100-foot string light is cut down and thrown out at the end of the job, meaning you have to buy more string lights again for your next job, increasing your costs. So they're heavy, they take a lot of labor to put up and take down, they're often wasted and bought again. So what's better than that? Well, what we've created in the Beacon360 Spark is a modular LED string light. We space these out every 20 feet, so now you need less lights for the same amount of area, less hanging, less work to do in that area, and you save money that way. In addition, what we've done is created a very bright LED light that gives off virtually no heat. There's no need for a cage, no need to try to protect yourself from this light because it is really safe. Additionally, we've put a quick connect on here to reduce the chance of theft. No one will be stealing your lights because when they bring this home, they won't be able to use it. Additionally, from the point of view of you reusing this light, if should something happen to the cord, you can take the light off, which is the valuable part, get a new cord, and then simply put this back on to be used again and again. The modular part of this is that each light comes with 10 foot of cord on one side with a plug, and then another 10 foot of cord on the other side with an outlet. So now instead of having to run 100 feet of a single cord, you're running 20 feet of a cord at a time. So now even if a wall does go up in between these lights, you're simply just pulling 5 or 10 foot of cord with a plug on it out. So you can save the lights and reuse them again and again. And one of the neat things we've done in this modular nature is that the outlet on the other side is actually a triple tap outlet, which means you can go in multiple different directions. If you're going down a hallway, you can continue that path down the hallway and kick over into a room on one side and a room on another side. If you are going down a hallway and the hallway splits, no problem. You can continue to use that same circuit to light up the entire floor in any configuration you want. Here we've got one connected to a light down there. I can connect another string above us here. And then of course I can, because there are 3, I can take a third one and connect that in as well. And you can continue that circuit and the variability nature of it, modularity of it, wherever you want. And like all the other lights that we create for the LED job site, this is not only durable, which I'll show you in a second, but is completely weatherproof. You can put this in snow, you can put this in rain, you can do whatever you want with it, and it will continue to work for you. So let's go drop it. Come on back here. I'm going to go up and grab this light, throw it to the ground, and then we'll plug it back in and show you how it continues to work. We take this idea of durability and reusability very seriously. We think it's a big waste in both time, garbage certainly, and also your money to have to buy and throw out string lights every time. So let's make sure that we make something that is durable enough to survive whatever you're going to throw at it. I got a nice bounce on that one, lots of extra hits onto the cement. Let's take it and plug it in. There we go. And of course, it works the first time. The Beacon360 Spark has been so amazing and impressed so many people that we've actually pocketed an award for it. At the 2018 NECA show, we got the Showstopper Award for new products, and it's really propelled the growth in adoption of the Beacon360 Spark. So I encourage you to reach out to us, grab yourself a couple Sparks, try them out. I'm sure you'll love it, and you can work to make your job site an LED job site.